Yeah. Stick with it. You got it.
Check Roger. Yeah. We're going fucking hardcore. Wait a minute. I'm leaning back too much. They go, oh, shit. We're seeing fucking whitewash. Oh, where's the salmon at? Oh, left, lean left. Oh, lean right. Oh, lean right. Oh, lean left. Oh, keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
You got it, man. Stick with it. Stick with it.
Oh, I'm going. I'm going. We're gonna fucking.
There's a big wave coming, dude. Big wave. Here it comes.
Wait, what? What's
big wave. Big wave.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh! Shh! Oh shit! I had my breath the whole time. You see that shit? That is on YouTube. One time, yeah, one time. One time they saw that shit. One time when we were in fucking Compton. When we were in Compton, we ain't.
In Compton? What do you know about Compton and a kayak?
Dude, man, I fucking robbed Compton in a kayak. Went down that bitch, fucking streamline.
You know nothing about Compton.
Swordfish. Gefilte fish. Same shit.
It's like going out to dinner in South Central. Ain't gonna happen.
Goddamn fucking, oh damn. You set that bitch up with some fucking fucked up shit. Ain't no shit. Are you recording me? Oh, cause I'm dead. Nigga, the Ghost Rider with a fucking goddamn fucking washing off the fucking. We're going out the Black River, going out to SoCal. We're moving. We're going back home. Home of the brave. Home of the save. Same shit we go. Oh, different day. I got a fishing pole. I got a fish real quick. Oh shit! Fish on the line, fish on the line. Alright, next spot, home. Oh, we go. Oh, we go. We caught a fish. We're going to shit. We're going to go home. We're going to go home. We go home to California. We go back SoCal. Not stop. Don't quit. We go. That's right. It sucks because we work so hard to
You know it. You know it.
anywhere.
Go back to Cali, bro. Back to Cali. Come on.
That's what I was trying to do, but it ain't working. I caught a swordfish. I put him in here. I ate him. He didn't work out. I took this fucking spear that killed a great white. Fucking gained the right to call myself a fisherman because I speared a lichen. That's right. Don't laugh. Because you know, I don't bullshit and pass.
You got it, bro. Stick with it.
I'm dying out. Not really. Because you know what? I'll fucking keep going and fucking kill anything that swims next to me. That's like an alligator, like Placid. Fuck him. He might be 1,200 pounds, but I'll fucking shoot him in the face. With a goddamn
M4.
M4 with a hollow point, with a fucking goddamn nod, scope, infrared, laser sight, M16, M4, gonna kill some shit because even though he might have some cousins who might want to eat my ass. But because I'm so high speed, I'm fucking going so fast, you can't see me. Oh, shit. I'm moving so quickly through the time and scene you see. You can't see me like John Cena. You don't know what is gonna come from Chuck. What the fuck was that? Oh, it doesn't matter because you know what? I'm moving so fast, God can't see me. He don't know shit because he's a fucking hypocrite and an asshole and don't like nobody. But he just likes to fucking be me, but he can't because I'm the not the shit. I'm just a normal person. I really hope my buddies I'm drinking with are not recording me, because if so, I will have to stick the ugly stick up their ass and rewind a treble hook up their esophagus and turn them into a human opossums, because that's what people like me don't know how to do, because we're so cool and we didn't go to school.
Yeah, push
Oh, fuck.
Come on, man. Come on. You went back to Cali.
Dude, you're in like Nevada. You gotta keep going.
You only
I'm
made
in
it.
Nevada?
No, technically you're in Kentucky.
What the fuck? I'm in Nevada. Where the fuck is homemade cabana? Because they fucking don't have salt, I have to grow in this fucking piece of shit hole. Because I can't go any further, I'm trying to fucking grow on concrete further. It doesn't work because I'm in a garage, because these people let me drink until I'm sitting on a mirage. That don't matter because they're assholes. They like to watch me and put me on videos because they don't know how ridiculous I can be. I like to be on YouTube TV. I don't know what's going on, but I'm growing my heart out because I'm a sailor, not really because I'm with the U.S. Army. That's right. You don't know what's gonna happen after this night. I don't know what's gonna come of this video because I know they are recording me from below, but because I keep going, it is a very good laugh, and I don't know what, but fuck man, I'm about to be out of gas.
He deserves a beer.
How long have you been rolling for, dude?
You handed me a beer with a cap on it? What the fuck? I was gonna try to drink this shit. You know what these assholes do is hand me a beer with a cap on it too. I don't know what I'm gonna do because I don't have a fucking... Pause. Recap. I don't have a bottle opener until now. My boy Schnook came swimming like a mermaid up next to my Schnook, and we go along so far as for 3 months. He's my good buddy, but I don't know what else to say. I lost my fucking bottle opener in my kayak today, and the people I'm hanging out with like to laugh at me much, but it's because I'm such a fucking... Time out. Wait, pause. Because I'm a riot, I don't know what I'm gonna do when I have to fucking buy it. But if I have to, I will buy that shit because you know what? We are the shit. And because we are so funny, I love this shit so much. I love to make an ass of myself and have so much fun. But because I'm rowing in a place I'm not going, in a fucking empty garage with no water that's flowing. Because I keep going, because you know what? I just love the fucking soul. I can't help myself, but because I can't go anywhere, one day I will be a kayaker someday. I'll fucking go goddamn so far, nobody can say. I'll be the best shit in the world because you know what? I got so much practice in my boy's garage. I got 2 fishing poles, I ain't got shit for fucking tackle, but you know what? Who gives a fuck? I'll fucking blow them up with some dynamite and C4, how about that?
That